Procedure to start our 7 kilowatt emergency power generator on natural gas connected to the main circuit breaker panel. We want to make sure we have enough gas pressure during an outage. The generator is located in the garage. Open the natural gas valve. Choke lever and run for natural gas. Prime the carburetor for 20 seconds. Wait 30 seconds, then start. Verify voltage 240 volts, then frequency 60 Hz. Verify engine exhaust is venting outside. If power hasn't come back, then turn off the main circuit breaker. Turn off all non-essential loads, such as central AC units and non-essential mini splits. Slide the generator interlock out of the way and turn on the generator circuit breaker. Turn on the outside power alarm. It will let us know when the outside power is back. If you have questions, write them in the comments. And if you like this video, please like it. Enough juice for 2 1-ton mini splits and the entire house. If you need more juice, just get a bigger one. 15 feet and 4 walls away from the power plant. Can't hear it. Outside power is back. Turn off the generator circuit breaker. Turn on the main circuit breaker. Turn back on non-essential loads. Close the natural gas valve to shut down the generator. Turn the ignition off. Outside power alarm off. Check the description for more details. If you have questions or comments, please write them down. I will get back to you.